Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Sodexo Childcare account. So let's jump right into the video. So first things first, you need to open a browser of your choice and then search for Sodexo Childcare Login. Then select the first link which says Login. This will take you to the official login page of Sodexo where you need to enter your username and your password. And once you've done that, you can select the Remember Me button if you don't want to keep on entering your username every time you want to log into your account. And once that's done, simply select Login. And that's how simple it was, guys. And that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post another video. And if you still have any doubts, be sure to let us know in the comments down below. So thank you for watching and have a great day.